Hey guys, welcome to Chef LeBron. I hope you enjoy our romantic meal part 1 and we're going to make romantic meal part 2.
We're going to make Garten's Lobster Mac and Cheese. It has great reviews online, and in the comments section for the recipe there were some modifications that were recommended, so we're going to make a modified version of the recipe.
Let's begin.
We got 3 fresh lobster tails, and these are pretty expensive, so I hope that we do this right. We're going to put this in some water to steam it. So I'm going to put the lobster tails in there. And we're going to cook this for about 4 minutes. This is elbow macaroni, and it's a pound, but I think I'm just going to use 3/4 of a pound because that was one of the modifications that was recommended. We're going to take out these lobsters, cut it down the middle, start to get the meat out. A little bit to just get it to stop clinging to the sides. I'm going to turn on a pan to medium-high heat, and then this is 4 cups of milk, and we're going to put it on medium heat. Go ahead and put 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Turn the heat to low. This is a 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour. In her recipe she uses 1/2 cup, but it was recommended to use a little less than that. And I start whisking. I'm going to turn off the heat and just keep whisking. Now I'm going to take my heated milk and add that in and whisk along the way. This to be a creamy sauce. I'm going to do it slowly. Move this off the heat. Off the heat, I'm going to add the grated sharp cheddar cheese. This is about 8 ounces, and this I was able to freshly grate. So I wasn't able to find a big chunk of gruyere cheese, so I found some pre-shredded gruyere and Swiss blend. So we're going to add 12 ounces of that. Pepper. We're going to add a teaspoon of salt. She calls for a tablespoon, but that just seems too salty. And a 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. I'm going to start stirring this. Hoping for it to be nice and creamy and not separate. We'll see. I'm going to add the macaroni in, and got a little bit solidified while I was waiting. There we go. Stir this together. Wow, this makes a lot of food. We're going to break up the lobster and put it in there. this in some baking dishes next. You have 2 baking dishes. I hope this fits. It's a lot more than I thought it was gonna make. Perfect. Oh, it smells so good. So Ina Garten, she uses breadcrumbs for hers, but I'd like to try out some club crackers and see how that goes. I like it nice and coarse. I'm gonna put it in 2 tablespoons of butter that's been melted. And I'm just gonna mix it around with my hands. I'm gonna sprinkle these on top with the cracker. Try and divide it between these 2. Our oven is at 375, and now we're gonna put these in the oven for 30 minutes. Okay, let's get this out of here. Oh wow, this looks so good and it smells so good. I'm so excited. I think we're gonna have to let this cool down a little bit. What do you think?
I agree.
Okay, we're just gonna dig in to this. And I don't know if this has it, but I'm gonna give you this one. Be careful. I don't know if I'm gonna get any lobster in it. Oh, it's very hot. I'm gonna wait for you to stop burning your face. Oh God, his face is just...
Wow. It's freaking good.
It is?
Yeah, it's really good.
Oh, good. Okay.
I don't know if I'm filming correctly, but it's
You
very
are.
nice.
You look perfect.
Okay.
Turn around so I can do it too.
Oh, it's really good.
Okay.
I didn't expect this.
Mm. Oh my God. It's so creamy and it's not too salty. I think it was good that we pulled back on the salt because the crackers too, they just give the crunch and it's so buttery. Oh man, this is great. I love this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Bye.